Uh, Hello, I got your question in the email, and I start to set it up and work it the way I showed you, the other day. This vector's magnitude's 2 and an angle 59 degrees. The other one has a magnitude 4 and a 239-degree angle. And you can break it down into components on each of them, and then add the components, and then find the sum of the two vectors. But I realized, I'm looking at that, something I had overlooked on these vectors, which I'm coming down here. If you have a vector at a 59-degree angle, and then you have another vector at a 239-degree angle, then this is just a straight here. That this angle, if you subtracted those two, you would get 280. There's going to be 180. 239 minus 59, that's 180 degrees. I mean, these two vectors are going in the exact opposite direction. I actually didn't recognize that fact when I explained all this. So this is kind of a special case. If these two vectors are going in the opposite direction, you could just subtract the two vectors and get the magnitude. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And so the magnitude of these vectors of the sum will just be 2, and the direction, the bigger one, is heading at this angle, and so the angle is going to be this 239 degrees, and so so it's just going to be 2 comma 239 degrees. I just didn't catch this was a special case where the vectors in the exact opposite direction. When you have this, when the angle between them is 180 degrees, you can just subtract the two magnitudes, which is 2, and then whichever one has a larger magnitude, that's the direction of the sum will be. Hope this helps.